Biochemistry, a subject most of us neglect but then end up realizing that it is actually important. So in this video, we're going to see about how I made the best cards for biochemistry, and I would definitely say that Anki has been an integral part of my journey towards understanding biochemistry. I am Rohith PVR, a second year medical student at Madurai Medical College. In this channel, I make videos about academics, some nerdy stuff, spirituality, stoicism. So if this sounds like a cup of tea, then do subscribe. First of all, before jumping straight into how to actually make the cards for biochemistry, I'd like to give a quick intro to biochemistry. So what exactly is biochemistry? Biochemistry, study of the chemical reactions within biology. So biology, something that we need to ratta. Chemistry, something we need to ratta. So this is like very clear that biochemistry is something we have to like ratta the whole time. But then I have realized one thing: if you like memorize the basic concepts of biochemistry, then you will realize that it is actually completely conceptual. Only if you memorize A, B, C, D, F, G, you will be able to understand the words. Unless and until you memorize the alphabets of English, A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G, you won't be able to understand English. So it's the same way in biochemistry also. There are these basic concepts that you're supposed to memorize at the start. There is no other way. But then once you understand the basic concepts, everything else is completely derivable. So trust me, biochemistry is actually fun. When I first got into college and then the lecture for biochemistry started, I knew that biochemistry was not my subject. But then I met a day scholar senior who apparently got a distinction in biochemistry. So I was like, this subject is so pathetic, but then this senior sir is getting a distinction in biochemistry. So I was surprised to know that this subject is actually conquerable. And also I feel like if someone is getting a distinction in a particular subject, then it definitely means that the person actually loved the subject, because without loving the subject, one can't put so much hard work into that one exam alone. So I knew that biochemistry is something conquerable, biochemistry is something lovable. And that's when I knew that I had to fix my mindset towards biochemistry. And Anki and Marrow have been an integral part of this journey. So what should you actually study in biochemistry? You should be learning the enzymatic reactions, the substrate, product and the pathway, and also the relevant clinical diseases along with it. And you have to memorize the complete vitamins, you have to know the minerals, their toxicity and the functions of the various vitamins also. And at the same time, you have to understand the nutrition and everything. Biochemistry is something that you need to like memorize a lot at the start so that you can understand and build concepts over the initial memorized platform. So Anki will definitely help in this regard, because Anki is legit made for memorizing. It is simply active recall and spaced repetition. It is simply like it is programmed to upload all this information into your brain. Now you know why you are supposed to understand biochemistry, what you are supposed to study in biochemistry. So now let me talk about how to understand and how to make cards for biochemistry. So when it comes to enzymatic reactions, you have no other go. Like this itself is the flashcard. Like for example, give the pathway for tryptophan metabolism, give the pathway for metabolism of phenylalanine, give the urea cycle, draw the urea cycle. So these are the questions, and the answer are the relevant answers. And also let's talk about heme metabolism. Once you understand the various enzymes that act in the heme pathway, you will actually understand on your own that if a particular enzyme is blocked, then this particular substrate will accumulate. So because this substrate is accumulating, this might cause photosensitivity, this might cause some skin rashes, something like that. In our book, it will be mentioned that lead will inhibit this particular enzyme. We won't understand the concept of that unless we know the deleterious effects of lead toxicity. So during lead toxicity, this particular enzyme will be inhibited. So because this enzyme is inhibited, this whole pathway will be inhibited. So because this whole pathway is inhibited, then that particular substrate will accumulate. And because this substrate accumulates, it creates the clinical manifestations. So from lead poisoning, we came to the clinical manifestations of a whole new disease. So this is why biochemistry is actually really important. And vitamins, and no doubt, vitamins are something we need to like understand really well. And I don't really think there is anything about understanding vitamins. It is all just memorizing the whole thing. So you are just supposed to know a particular enzyme reaction, the enzymes acting in it, the activators, the inhibitors of the enzyme, and also the relevant clinical pathway. So that's it. This is all about biochemistry. and you're just supposed to memorize the whole thing. And also coming to the various biochemical reactions, they're like extremely important. You will definitely use them in the future. And also understanding the various doses of the vitamins that we need to take daily, that is also very important, right? And also you can like collect every single previous year paper and create your own Anki deck for the previous year paper and create your own answers for that also. So that will also help you a lot. So this is how I studied biochemistry with the help of Anki and Marrow. And also Marrow has been extremely useful when it comes to biochemistry. Dr. Rebecca James ma'am has done an absolutely amazing job. One reason why I started loving biochemistry is actually because of ma'am. She actually taught biochemistry in an amazing way. I never knew that biochemistry is something that we can actually understand and study until I watched ma'am's video. Like, the videos are really top notch, really amazing. So I would definitely recommend buying Marrow simply for the sake of watching those biochemistry videos. And in this video I talked about how to use Marrow efficiently, so make sure you check it out. And also this is the short video about how to get a distinction in anatomy, so make sure you check it out. And as always, thank you for watching. See you soon.